Hello, everyone. Today, we're taking a journey to a thriving mango orchard where delicious, sweet mangoes are cultivated with the dedication and love of local farmers. These farmers meticulously care for their mango trees, ensuring optimal growth. They carefully prepare organic fertilizers, providing the essential nutrients for the trees to flourish and produce the most flavorful fruits. Not only do they nurture mature trees, but they also plant new saplings, ensuring a continuous cycle of sweet harvests. This provides a stable income for families and contributes to the value of local agricultural products. The delicate, pristine mango blossoms herald the arrival of a bountiful harvest. Their sweet fragrance fills the orchard, attracting bees and butterflies for pollination, playing a vital role in the creation of these delicious mangoes. And here comes the most anticipated moment, the mango harvest season. Ripe, plump mangoes are carefully and gently plucked from the branches. Each fruit represents the culmination of months of dedication and care, encapsulating the sweetness of the sun, the wind, and the farmer's hard work. crates brimming with mangoes are carefully arranged, ready to embark on their journey, bringing their deliciousness and nutritional value to consumers. This flourishing mango orchard not only provides a source of income for the local people, but also exemplifies the growth of local agriculture. Let's hope these delectable mangoes continue to conquer markets, enhancing the reputation of their produce. Let's all support these hard-working farmers, allowing these sweet and delicious fruits to continue spreading their delightful flavor far and wide.